like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before.
Make a wish, Carole. Oh boy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carole. Happy birthday to you.
And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score.
Parties together, and we've become Italian. We go to all the Italian functions.
Oh, really? You're honorary Italians?
I am, yes. It's wonderful.
Okay. So, have you been, either one of you, been associated with the shop in any way?
We visit, but not as far as the hair cutting. That's the guy's thing.
That's the guy's thing.
How about you, Carole?
Oh, just come by to visit and kind of clean up the act.